It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and today we're bringing you the painting of doors. Our long-standing client has asked us to come in and do some body corporate painting for them, and what they've asked us to paint is 200 doors throughout their apartment building complex. And as I speed up the video so that you can see RAF painting at 100 miles an hour, we just wanted to let you know the process that is involved in painting these doors for our client and all the residents of the 200 apartments in this building. Now, the residents have been notified that we will be there and painting, and they have been asked to make a booking on a booking calendar to have their door painted at a time that is convenient for them. And to enable us to paint the door properly, we've asked them to be home for about 2 hours so that the door can dry before they shut the door and walk away. Now, in this situation, not everybody has been able to be at home for us, so some of the doors will have to be painted shut. We have made arrangements for those people to have their doors painted specifically on a day and time that works for them if they contacted us to make those arrangements. Now, painting the door open is the best bet because we get a perfect finish and we give the door all the time that it needs to dry. And then when we haven't got the ability to paint the door open, we'll paint it shut, but we will put an undercoat on the door, paint it to as close to the edge as possible. And because this paint is the same color as the previous coating, then what happens is the difference is not visible while the door is closed, but it will be visible when the door opens. So if you are a body corporate manager and you are looking for a body corporate painter to paint doors and other body corporate high wear and tear areas, please do give Bill a call from Melbourne City Maintenance, and I will arrange to come out and give you a quote to have the doors painted, and we will schedule in the doors to be painted at the convenience of the majority of the owners, while also trying to make sure that we get the doors all painted open. We will also go ahead and continue to paint the doors even if we can't get people home. The end result will be amazing. The doors will be refreshed, and the owners corporation and the committee will be glad that the doors have been maintained and the place looks fresh.